Hello all, welcome to C language learning. Today we will understand calling a function. Before that you must understand the definition of function. A function is a block of code that performs a specific task. When it comes to calling a function inside your code, it takes two ways. So first way of calling a function is call by value. In a call by value method, the value of variable is passed to the function as a parameter. That means a parameter will be a formal way and it will not affect any actual value of the argument. And then there is another one technique, that is call by reference. In call by reference method, the address of the variable is passed to the function as a parameter, so it can change the value of parameter in a call by reference way. Before understanding call by value and call by reference way to call a function, we have to understand the terminology of actual parameter and formal parameter. This is the argument which is used in function call, which is called as actual parameter. In actual parameter, when the call by value way, it cannot change the value of actual parameter. While it comes to the call by reference, a formal parameter's value can affect the value of actual parameter inside the function. We will see the technique of calling a function by using one program of swapping today. Here we will understand both the techniques by using a same program method. For that, let's open code blocks. Let's start with an empty file. So today we are going to make a function of swapping of variable, and we are going to call by this function by call by value method and call by reference method both. So let's start by writing our program. So first of all we will use call by value method. So I'm going to write down stdio.h, that is standard input output header file, and I'm going to provide one integer here, integer temporary. So temporary integer I have created. After that, before creating temporary integers, we will create or declare our function. So I'm going to write down void swap. So this is my swap function, void swap, and inside swap function I'm going to write down one formal parameter. So whatever I am declaring in the prototype of this function is considered as a formal parameter. So integer variable 1 and integer variable 2. These two variables I have declared in my function definition. So here I have written a prototype of my function swap. So I am going to declare one integer temporary also inside this function. So here we are going to define our function in this way. So I am going to copy this inside my function body. So this is my function body, and now I am going to use the technique of swapping of that by putting temporary first of all to equal to variable 1, then variable 1 became variable 2. So this is the swapping technique logic. Variable 1 became variable 2, and then variable 2 becomes nothing but a temporary number. So this way you can swap actual two parameter or any two integers. Now I am going to write down my integer main. So I am going to write down integer main, my main function, inside where I am going to call this function by call by value method. So first of all I am going to declare integer number 1, my first number as 35, and my second number as 34, or let's take 45. So I'm going to take 45. So I have declared two variables and I have given them initial value as 35 and 45. Now I am going to print one line to tell them that what is the value of before swapping. So before swap, value of num1 is, so value of variable number is %d comma num1. So I am going to use the same for num2 also, because I have to see the difference of calling a function by call by value method. So here I am just writing by num2, and I am going to give here ampersand num2. So I have written two printf function before swapping of the number. So here are those functions. Let's provide a /n also. So I'm going to put a /n, because then that program will go to the new line directly. And now I'm calling my function here swap in bracket num1 comma num2. So here I have called my function by calling by value method. I'm going to copy these two statements, and instead of just taking before, I'm going to write down after swapping and here I'm going to just changing this by after swapping. So as I told you, in a call by value method, the formal parameter doesn't get affected by the actual parameter value. It will not change anything. So, and the most important thing is a written value, which is very much important. So let's save this file first of all by function call by .c extension and just build this file. So here is the error. I am not getting what error is this. Is I have given a semicolon. We don't need a semicolon while prototyping the function. So let's build it again. Build finished with 0 error. Let's run it. So as you can see, before swapping the values and after swapping the values are same. That means if function is called by a value, if you are putting a value, it will not affect the actual parameter. That means the formal parameter does not affect the actual parameter. So this way we have used the function by call by value method. Now I am going to modify this function. Just simply I am putting here asterisk sign, because in functions called by reference method we are using actually pointer to address the variable. So here I am going to just using the ampersand, and here again asterisk, again asterisk. To each and every entity I am providing asterisk sign, because we are going to address it variable. So here I have used this, and here I am just simply understanding like ampersand num1 and ampersand num2. So few changes I have made here by making this program with the call by reference value. Why I have made this program with the asterisk signs? Because call by reference method is passing arguments to a function, copying the address of that argument into the formal parameter. So inside the function, the address is used to access the actual function. That's why we have used a pointer and an ampersand sign. To pass a value by reference, argument pointers are passed to the function just like any other value. So accordingly, you need to declare the function parameters as pointer type in the following function swap, which exchanges the value of two integer variables pointed to by their arguments. So this is way we can use a type to call a function by call by reference method. We are going to build this file. Here is one more error it is showing. Let's see what happens. So I am going to put some space here, and now one more space here, also a space, and here also a space, and here is no need of ampersand because that is temporary one. As build finished with 0 error, let's run this. So as you can see here, after swapping and before swapping, the value is swapped. So this way you can actually understand a calling of function by two types, call by value and call by reference, with the same program type of swapping of number. Thank you.